To update your apps on your iPhone, first, open the App Store on your device. Once there, tap on your profile icon, which is located at the top right of the screen. This will take you to a page that shows all of your account information and any available updates for apps. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Available Updates. Here, you'll see a list of apps that have updates ready. If you want to update all of them at once, tap the Update All button, or if you prefer to update apps individually, simply tap the Update button next to each app. If you're connected to Wi-Fi and have sufficient battery life, the updates will start downloading automatically. If you don't see updates listed, it means your apps are already up to date. Once all updates are complete, you're good to go. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a helpful update.